In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube intro with Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional intro ready to use on your channel. First, open Canva. From the home screen, click Create a Design, then choose Video and select YouTube Video. This sets your canvas to the standard 1920 by 1080 size, which is perfect for intros and ensures everything looks crisp on YouTube. Next, head over to the Templates tab and search for YouTube Intro. You'll see a range of ready-made designs. Pick a template you like that matches your channel's vibe, whether that's bold and energetic or minimalist and clean. Templates give you a strong starting structure, saving time while keeping things polished. Once your template is on the canvas, click on any elements or text to customize them. Update the title with your channel name or tagline. Adjust colors to match your brand palette, and choose fonts that are easy to read on screen. Keep text short and punchy. Intros work best when they're clear and quick. If you're using multiple colors or fonts, aim for consistency so nothing looks out of place. Take a moment to align elements and use spacing to keep everything balanced. Now, add movement with animations. Select an element or text, then click Animate on the top toolbar. Try simple entrance animations like fade or rise for a professional look. You can animate entire pages or individual elements. Subtle animations often feel more refined and prevent visual clutter. Keep timing consistent so the motion feels intentional and not distracting. To add music, go to the audio panel on the left. Browse tracks by mood or genre and choose something that matches your brand's energy. Pick a track that complements the pacing of your visuals and doesn't overpower your message. Short intros usually benefit from upbeat but not overly busy music. Preview your intro by clicking play. Watch it from start to finish and check that text is readable, animations are smooth, and the music feels synchronized. If anything moves too fast, slightly extend the timing of your elements or simplify the motion. When you're happy with everything, click Share, then Download. Choose MP4 video and click Download. Canva will process your file and save it to your device, ready to upload or drop into your editing timeline. That's it. Your YouTube intro is done. Keep iterating as your brand evolves, and reuse this setup for future videos to stay consistent.